You've seen this person before? Something goes wrong. Everything feels like chaos. And while everyone else panics, they go quiet. No overreaction, no stress, no emotional meltdown, just a pause. And then they start fixing things. So what do they have that most people don't? It's not intelligence. It's not experience. It's something much simpler, but far more powerful. Psychologists call it self-efficacy, a belief that I can handle this. Not blind confidence, just a quiet certainty that problems are solvable. When most people face a problem, their brain goes into threat mode. Stress rises and thinking shuts down. But people with strong self-efficacy, they see the same situation differently, not as danger, but as a puzzle. And that one shift, it keeps their mind working instead of freezing. This doesn't come from nowhere. It starts with small moments. Fixing something simple, solving something alone, handling a situation without help. These are called mastery experiences. Tiny wins that teach your brain, I did it before, I can do it again. There's another layer. Some people believe their actions matter. Others feel like life just happens to them. Psychology calls this locus of control. People with internal control think, I can influence this. And that belief makes them act instead of panic. But here's something most people don't realize. Not all fixers are strong. Some learn to fix everything because they had to, because being helpless was never an option. But the healthiest ones, they don't fix things out of fear. They fix things because they're curious. For them, broken isn't stressful. It's interesting. So if you're not like this, it doesn't mean you're weak. It just means your brain learned a different pattern, and that pattern can change. Not through big moments, but small ones. One decision, one attempt, one problem you don't run from, because the difference between panic and control isn't who you are. It's what you've practiced.